and welcome to the sewing tutorial for the adjustable neckline on the Celine blouse pattern. Today I'll be showing you an alternative method for making the neckline adjustable on bottom placket views B and F. This hack is great if you prefer to avoid using buttonholes. It's beginner friendly and quick. My name is Jessica and I am the founder of Silver Saga Patterns. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. So let's get started. For this view, cut out the pattern as usual, with the exception of the neckline ruffle. I have added a 1 cm in width to my ruffle to accommodate that I will be using this as a seam allowance for the neckline channel later. Follow the steps in the instructions for cutting, interfacing and pressing the bottom placket. With the right sides together, pin the unfolded edge of the bottom placket to the center front of the bodice. Sew in place using a 1 cm seam allowance. Grade the seam allowance and press towards the placket. Fold the bottom placket along the fold line and press. Then fold the placket onto itself, right sides together, and align the folded edge with the previous seam line. Open up the seam allowance and pin in place. Start sewing at the edge and stop just before the fold. Finish the neckline ruffle and place it right sides together with the wrong side of the garment. Pin in place. Sew the neckline with a 1 cm seam allowance. Trim the seam allowance. Flip the neckline ruffle upwards and press. On the right side of the bodice, understitch 2 mm from the edge, making sure that the stitching catches the seam allowance underneath. Turn the bottom placket right side out. Make sure that the points of the corners are nicely pushed out. Press the bottom placket. Turn the neckline ruffle right side out and press carefully as well. Pin the bottom placket in place, making sure that the folded edge is aligned on both the wrong and the right side of the garment. Edge stitch the bottom placket and press. From the right side of the garment, pin the neckline ruffle to create the neckline channel for the fabric tie. Sew in place using a 1 cm seam allowance. Use a small safety pin to guide the fabric tie through the neckline channel. Your adjustable neckline on the Celine blouse is now finished. Thank you so much for watching this sewing tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more sewing tutorials. I would also love if you followed me on Instagram at Silver Saga Patterns. I see you soon. Bye bye!